Ayamnaenda mango mwanchumuli ringo kwarigania yunkumanyia senchera ere yobwekirano gendera gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News baigona boko ya soma wetera se website yaito www.ndizitv.net hero togendera gusanga asobwamo ereteriane Evelyn Sero oliato kuwatera na sensemo imanyerero ni gakoro kwa Lydia Muse na baigo Petronira Mukeira nero koine kiabuna chibicha neryogi chawe ikeire asenchera yabene kukwaiga kama yaye chinza isatasobwe kiranu korwase county ya Kisii awaserit kolia lero aba MCA korwase bunge ya Kisii baba waka kura yokumurusia bisi omokonyi bwo Gavana Dr. Robert Monda magega yo mswada kubekwa ase bosibwe bunge yo no MCA wadi ya Ichune Wycliffe Siocha kugania kumurusia bisi ase keria bagatebana nobo tumekyo bwe bisi egati ya mamocho anda manke aba MCA meronko 5 na batatu nigo bake kura yogo itaberana awase aba MCA 15 baba bagokana asinonya nabo chikurebere chiaba chigosare communicator Mildred Mumanye nekirana sebunge yo nagutwarganira roboti rwa senchera yobwikirano bunge ye county ya Kisii nigo ya mwakirisko omokonyi bwo Gavana Dr. Robert Monda ase chikura emerongo 5 na batatu ase emerongo 5 nebere asa magosa yobotumeki obobebwa bisi ase Monda anyarete gutumerwa ali akiri ekiribu kimya 5 kurwase Dennis Misati wetera ase nchira ya Mpesa ase okumoligeria egasi ase kampani ya mache ya Guasco.
The two-third threshold is for 7 members, and the yes has got 53. Pursuant to Standing Order number 60, subsections 7, I now declare that the Deputy Governor of Kisii County Government, His Excellency Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, has been removed from office by the Kisii County Assembly by way of impeachment.
Kwana isko ya magacho ye County Assembly ya Kisii nigo Siocha aerera alia airete okumwaka isko Monda asa tebire nigo eye era chekoba ekiorokerelyo uchiase abaraibande ase arule ogukura ogotindi uchiase kera yomo gochia gotiga obokurumi
yabere gasi enkongo because mwana ona arenga kotete omosao yorichite ko liana ni guchibesa no mosao moke no mosao kurunya libali nande no deputy governor no mosani one nere nyali bali akuru so igona abwato bokongo bonne sana ko balance aita gotena na kwegerera obukurumi oboko no deputy governor gose gotena na kwegerera mosao yo mutaka erinde nera nyore yakiaye egasi igona yekodiri tukubwata na ba MCA be county yetu ya Gusii esababu nereriye nigo tutagete twene kinga gasi ende yonsi era toka soro kongoruitu rwa Kisii gose ese county yetu ya Kisii ngoko ruere senjere transparent na abana baitongonyora baramba baga batari gosabu gose kuburunga no bwate godfata gose no bwate besa gose no bwate kende
omwakili katwa kigen oyo orenge kumwegerera Monda nigo atebabuna egati ya mamochonaro aenegetigwe chingaki omoswado yo ogenderete asa tebire nonya nabo mbache konyora libagali okumwegerera bosyo
voting pattern that eventually occurred after arguments, discussions, presentations for over 7 hours ended up being what exactly would seem to have been the likely event that would have happened within the first 10 minutes of the process. Being that it would seem everybody came with a fixed mind, especially on the other side. Where we come from is to say that there were very serious legal defects in the motion. It was moved out of time. The format requiring details to be supplied at the time of moving the motion was not available. The allegations being that the issues were in the hands of the police and the EACC and that we should have awaited their investigations before bringing the issue to the assembly. All those were ignored. But very pleasantly for us, we had also a very solid answer to the factual issues.
Ase chingakecho nigo omo MCA kurwa ase wadi ya Masimba boss Mairura abolirie Senate gochia kwene kiabuna Monda na chekonyora obo enebwae maega yokobu ekina ekyokorwa county assembly ya Kisii.
We want to urge the Senate to scrutinize the matter because now the matter will be going to the Senate. We want to urge the Senate to scrutinize this motion that will be forward to them so that the people of Kisii get justice. I still maintain that the Deputy Governor is innocent because the parents of the boy or the man who is the one complaining have clearly sworn an affidavit, some affidavit saying that they never bribed the deputy governor for their son to get a job.
Bono egetenda wiri nigo giatigaire gochia ase Senate gochia gukwanira engane yo ase obwagare bwo komorusia omokonyi bwo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda. Reporter ya Egeta Seni kia Ndizi TV, Elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.